Imagine a world where every device in your organization is a potential gateway for a cyber attack. This is the reality businesses face today. Endpoint protection is no longer optional. It's your first and last line of defense against evolving cyber threats. Endpoints are everywhere: laptops, smartphones, servers, even printers. Each endpoint is a target, and attackers know all it takes is one vulnerable device to breach your system. From ransomware to phishing, cybercriminals are relentless. The cost of doing nothing can be catastrophic: data breaches, financial loss, and irreversible damage to your reputation. But robust endpoint protection changes the game. By deploying cutting-edge security solutions, you not only detect threats in real time, but also prevent infections before they disrupt your business. Modern endpoint security does more than just scan for viruses. It uses AI to spot suspicious behavior, isolates compromised devices, and automatically responds to incidents, minimizing damage and recovery time. You wouldn't leave the front door of your office unlocked overnight. So why leave your endpoints unprotected? Prioritize proactive endpoint protection and transform every device from a weak link into a stronghold. Your business's digital survival depends on it.